Holy shit.
Call 911.
I'm okay. Was it a green light? Was it a green light for me? Was it a red? Was it a green light? Okay, thank you. Fuck. Fuck. I'm sorry. I'm like freaking out.
It's completely out of left field. Let me.
No warning, no heads up, no nothing.
Let me color it in a little bit more.
Please.
Before I mail about what was reporting down there, I was in Northern California, and I was connected to a COMPILATION, and we exchanged a number of text messages back and forth about the imperative of collaborating and working through all of this. Then I talked to the president. Hours later, to this point, I wrote that new scum again. Yeah, and it's the President of the United States calling someone scum, new scum, which is, for what it's worth, what I think a 7th grader used to call me on Baltimore Street in Corte Madera, California. He begins the day with that, and then talks about the National Guard, and then starts making up all these things he claimed he told me about, which I mean, honestly starts.
Sheesh, that car. Holy shit, that Tesla accelerated.
Babe! Oh, bro, I thought that you made it fucking, like, go forward. Bro, that's gonna fucking, I thought it was just moving forward.
Pussy ass, why she being fucking pussy? Go, go, go.